Two investments produce an annual interest income of $4,200. The amount invested at 14% is $6,000 less than the amount invested at 10%. Find the amount invested at 14%. We have two unknowns in this problem. One, the amount of invested amount at 14% and the amount invested at 10%. So first, we let X be the amount in dollars invested at 14% and let Y be the amount in dollars invested at 10%. Now, let us make an equation in terms of an interest income, which is $4,200. The interest income obtained from the 14% account will be given by the 0.14 times the amount invested, which is X. So 0.14X is the interest income at 14% account. We add the income to the interest income at 10%, which is given by 0.10 times Y. And the total interest income is $4,200. So here's our first equation. The second equation is given by a comparison. The amount invested at 14% is $6,000 less than the amount invested at 10%. So we have an equation which is X equals Y minus 6,000. The amount invested at 14%, which is X, is $6,000 less than amount invested at 10%, which is Y. So we are going to solve the system. Notice that the bottom equation is already solved for X, so it'll be easier to use the substitution method. So we have 0.14 times Y minus 6,000 plus 0.1 Y equals 4,200. By multiplying both sides by 100, we can eliminate decimals. So we have 14 times Y minus 6,000 plus 10Y equals 420,000. So 14Y minus 84,000 plus 10Y equals 420,000. 24Y equals $504,000. So Y equals $21,000. To find X, simply plug in Y, which is 21,000, into X equals Y minus 6,000. So Y equals 21,000 minus 6,000, which is $15,000. So the answer is $21,000 for 10% account and $15,000 for 14% account.